Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. These are MCQs. Number 1. d by dx of 1 by g of x. Derivative of this is, we can calculate its derivative by power rule. d by dx of g of x power minus 1. And if we apply power rule, derivative is power in the beginning, function with power minus 1. Power is minus 1. Already we subtract 1 from it. So power in the beginning, power minus 1, and derivative without power. Without power, it is g of x. So then it becomes minus 1 g of x power minus 2 and g prime of x. This can be answer in this case. Next is derivative of 2x plus 5 power minus 3. We bring power in the beginning by the same rule and function with power minus 1 and derivative of function without power. Function without power is 2x plus 5. It is minus 3, 2x plus 5 power minus 4 it will be. Derivative without power, derivative of 2x is 2, derivative of 5 is 0. So finally it is 3 multiplied by 2 will be minus 6, 2x plus 5 power minus 4. Next question number 3 is d by dx of sine x. Derivative of sine is cos with same angle sin x, and then derivative of sine is cos. Derivative of angle is cos, right? This is angle is sine, its derivative is cos. So this becomes the derivative. After that we have number 4. Number 4 is d by dx of natural log of cotangent x. So we know that derivative of natural log function is that the value on which log is applied becomes 1 by. So log applies on cot, so it becomes 1 by cotx, and then its derivative. Derivative of the function on which log applies, it is cot. So its derivative is, this is 1 by cot. 1 by cot can be written tan, and derivative of cotangent is minus cosecant square x. Number 5. Derivative of cos x power minus 1. It can be written as d by dx of 1 by cos. As it is not cos inverse, it can be written 1 by cos. 1 by cos is secant. So derivative of secant is secant x tan x. Number 6. What f prime of a is equal to? F prime of a is equal to limit x approaches a f of x minus f of a divided by x minus a. Number 7. Derivative of x power minus 2, second order derivative. So if this is f of x is x power minus 2. This implies f prime. F prime is obtained by using power rule. Power is brought in the beginning. Power minus 1 will be minus 3. And then we differentiate it again. F double prime is, if we bring power in the beginning, power is minus 3. If we bring it in the beginning, a coefficient minus 2 is already there. Power becomes coefficient, they will make minus 2, minus 3, and power minus 1 makes what? Power minus 1 makes minus 4. So it will be finally 6 x power minus 4, or we can shift x power minus 4 in the denominator to make power positive. Number 8. What is number 8? D by dx of xy. Xy is the product of the two variables. Product rule is applied. X first, d by dx applies on y, plus y first, d by dx is applied on x. So then it is x dy by dx is same. Then it is written plus y into dx by dx becomes 1. So finally it is of the form x dy by dx plus y. Then number 9 we have what is minus 1 by absolute value x and square root x square minus 1 is equal to, this is equal to d by dx of cosecant inverse of x. Next we have number 10, d by dx of e power y. We know that exponential is derivative of itself along with derivative of power d by dx of y. D by dx of y can be denoted by y prime. D by dx of e power x minus e power minus x by 2. How is it differentiated? 1 by 2 outside. D by dx is applied on ex minus d by dx is applied on e minus x. Then what we have? 1 by 2 still there. E power x derivative is e power x. E power minus x derivative is e power minus x dot minus 1. So it will be 1 by 2 e power x plus e power minus x. This becomes definition of cos hyperbolic of x. Number 12 is d by dx of tan theta. Derivative of tan theta is secant square theta, and then derivative of angle is theta d theta by dx. Question number 2. It's a short question and its first part. First part, he says differentiate with respect to x. Function is x power minus 3 plus 2x power minus 3 by 2 plus 3. Let y is equal to x power minus 3 plus 2x power minus 3 by 2 plus 3. We write differentiate with respect to x, and it is obtained by applying d by dx on left side y, d by dx on right side, x power minus 3 plus 2d by dx of x power minus 3 by 2 plus d by dx of 3. Then we write power in the beginning. Power minus 1 becomes 4, d by dx of function without power is x, so its derivative plus 2. Power in the beginning minus 3 by 2 in the beginning. Power minus 1 if we write, then this is the form. And without power, derivative of x. Derivative of 3 is 0. Then we have minus 3x power minus 4. This is 1. Dx by dx is 1. This 2 is cancelled by this. It is minus 3x power minus 5 by 2. Dx by dx is 1, and this is answer. Then we have number 2, to find dy by dx. If this is the form given, x square minus 4xy minus 5y is equal to 0. We differentiate with respect to x. D by dx of x square minus 4 is coefficient, d by dx of xy minus 5 d by dx of y. Right hand side d by dx of 0. it is 2x dx by dx due to power rule, power in the beginning, power minus 1. If we do, then power becomes 1. Power of x becomes 1. Power in the beginning, so 2 is in the beginning, power minus 1, so x power is 1 here. Then without power, its derivative dx by dx minus 4. Now product rule, x first, d by dx of y plus y d by dx of x minus 5 dy by dx is equal to, it will be 0. Then what we have, 2x into 1 minus 4, it is x dy by dx plus y into 1 minus 5 dy by dx is equal to 0. Then we remove this bracket, it is 4x dy by dx minus 4y minus 5 dy by dx is equal to 0. Then if we take dy by dx common, then we have minus 4x minus 5 with dy by dx common. On the other side we have minus 2x plus 4y. 4y from left side, if it's shifted on right hand side, will be added. So then we have dy by dx is in its final form as minus 2x plus 4y divided by minus 4x from left side is shifted on right. So on left it is multiplied, on right it divides. So this is answer. Next is number 3. It is said that find dy by dx, parametric function, if x is equal to theta plus 1 by theta, y is equal to theta plus 1. Differentiate with respect to theta. We differentiate with respect to theta, what will happen? First we differentiate x, then dx by d theta, derivative of, if we expand this bracket, d by d theta of theta, d by d theta of theta power minus 1. D theta by d theta is 1, plus here we bring power in the beginning and then power minus 1, and without power, derivative of theta will obviously be 1. It is 1 minus theta power minus 1 make minus 2, and this is 1. So it can be written 1 minus 1 by theta square, and after taking LCM it is theta square minus 1 by theta square. Next, if we differentiate y, so now we differentiate y, dy by d theta we have is equal to d by d theta of theta plus 1. I'm directly doing it, derivative of theta is 1, derivative of 1 is 0. So this is finally 1. dy by d theta is 1. Now by chain rule is stated as dy by dx, which is required, is equal to dy by d theta by dx. This is chain rule. Now we will substitute values. If values are substituted, dy by d theta is 1. D theta by dx is a reciprocal of this form. Reciprocal of this is theta square by theta square minus 1. And now finally dy by dx is equal to Product of these two is obviously theta square by theta square minus 1. So it is answer.